Oops, oops. Keren.
Hi.
Ulang lah.
Hi. Okay, my name is Yada, and this is Papa. Oh, and that's Pun. Hi, Pun. Where have you been? Okay, guys. Today we are going to a morning walk today.
Morning walk, ini morning walk.
Huh? Oh, we are having
A walk
a walk
in the
forest. Sounds good, right? Those are just some people. Okay, so we are in the woods. Okay, come on, guys. We need wood. Yeah. Papa, come on. Just hold the camera and wood. Come on, guys. It's the jungle, so let's go and follow me, okay? You need to jump through this. Jump. Good. So comfortable in here. They make it with rocks. One day I ride that rock when I was 6. You are 6. Yeah.
100 rupees, right?
When you didn't do
100
it.
rupees, right?
When you didn't do it. What? 3 hits from Papa. Hip, hip, away. Hip, hip, away. Hip, hip, away.
Very slippery. Watch your feet.
Isa orma doon eh. No.
They have some crabs under that rock. And also maybe some fish are living. This is fresh water, not salt water. So maybe some piranhas.
Somewhat.
This day was the best day in my life. We come here and we got to sit in the rocks. It was the best day of my life, guys. Oh, there. Come on, guys. Oh.
You have to climb.
I did it.
Come on, guys, you can do it.
Thank you for
I
screaming.
believe you.
I'm scared. I don't know how to do this. But I'm scared. I'm not 11 years old. Or 14, 40 years old.
It's going slower. Oh my God.
No.
You did it.
Now how do you go?
Go down. Just stop. Let's go.
Well, how can I go up there? Now what should we do? Let's get it.
You have to climb there.
How?
Put your hands here, both of the hands.
Oh.
Do it.
Ooh.
This side, this side, this side.
Do you mean this side?
Have to walk like this. See, just walk. So easy like this. Come here.
They will hold the light. Help!
Yes.
Help!
Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. Yes. Yeah.
You can do it. You can do it. Look at this thing.
Stay here and just sit.
Oh yeah. So how am I gonna climb this thing? Start off here. Is up things so to climb, you know.
Up, up,
What? What's that? What was that?
Look to see paramut cute. Go and try. Or are you scared now?
Oh my god. Yeah. That was successful. That was successful. Oh. Almost fell. Look. As a rope, because saplings are really strong and could hold an 81 pounds guy.
Easy.
What?
Oh.
Gonna fall. Nope, he didn't fall. I was going to climb from the very, very dangerous part. Even a professional cannot do it. But this guy can. This guy has 40 years of experience. I only got 10.
I'm making something for Bubba, so I need to get these Can you give me
I'm 11 years old, but this... Oh, look at that guy. Look at that guy. He's amazing.
Papa, can you give me those green leaves?
You get million of these down there also.
They are just these leaves. I don't like
Gonna do this.
it.
He's gonna do this.
Green leaves.
Just say he did it.
Before you get down,
That's not a bird.
what?
That's not a bird.
Then what is it?
Fox.
No, maybe that's a bird. Maybe it's a kind of owl or something.
Owl in the rainforest?
Hey, I made myself
I
a
don't know.
pickaxe.
Hey, before you get down, you make sure to grab something. You just start fucking. You just let your body down and without holding anything.
Like I did.
Oh,
Why
yeah, I can do it.
He did it.
I found some.
He's trying to carry Mario's sister. And just notice, the guy is my dad.
I cannot look.
Huh? What?
Easy.
Oh, belum siap. Belum siap semua.
It's easy. He's alive.
Okay, guys. Today we are walking in the woods, and look at those tree stumps right there. Do you see them or not? I'm just kidding, guys. Those are mountains. Sorry for kidding you. Okay, come on, guys. Look at that big man right there. Okay, guys, and we need to go to the forest. That guy's running again. Okay, we need to go to this forest because we are. What are we doing? Yeah. Guys, why are you coming here? Why are you just following us? La 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 la. And those are my friends right there. Oh, it's a hot sunny day. Say hi! Oh, yes.
How you do it?
Why?
Let me hold it.
I know how to hold by myself.
Don't shake it too much.
Okay, I'll not shake it now. So, we are gonna play. We are gonna do so many things here with me. I'm so happy you are here. See, look at that bridge. Can you see that bridge? Okay, guys, I'm here.
I really don't think yet I can handle this.
Now we're coming here.
Where will I take you? Look. Up them the pot, them the pot. Yes. Them the pot. Sini.
Hi.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh, maybe there's some shooting going on.
Hi.
Maybe some shooting is going on. Ask them. Are you shooting a video or what?
Are you shooting a video or not? We are shooting a video. Okay, guys. What? Going back?
Oh no, our house is over there.
Our house is over there.
And we just visit the forest.
Yeah, just visit the forest. Look at that broken tree there.
Broken tree. Shall I take your picture? Yes?
Guys, look. I found a tree. You can see the tree right there. It's so brown. And it's perfect to make a treehouse, see? And it's perfect to say my weight and my brother's and my dad's weight. It's so good. I love this day. Look at all the trees here. We can build so many many treehouse here, and with my friends too. Say hi. My dad is a YouTuber.
Ah, that's nice.
What are your names? What is your name?
My name is Atsu. I'm
How-
here from Manipur.
How about yours?
Away.
Alright, good name.
What about yours?
Yada Kitwe Mumbai.
How do you go? How did your parents call you?
Hmm?
How do your parents call you?
Yada.
Yeah, that's cute.
Okay, I'm coming back to my dad. His name is Papa. Where do you come from? Where do you two come from? How about your? Where do you come
We
from?
are from Manipur.
What?
Manipur.
Manipur. Okay. How about yours?
Even me, I'm from Manipur.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are
Yeah.
from Manipur.
Yeah.
Me, I'm from. Let me go to my dad first. Where am I from?
You're from Shillong.
I'm from Ceylon.
Ah, that's nice. Ceylon is such a beautiful place.
Guys, my dad say I cannot distract you, so I am not distracted so much. So, what's your color house? Your color's house is red or
White. White of.
white? My color, my house's color is blue.
Blue. Wow, that's nice. Yeah.
It's not camera.
It's nice. Are you taking video right now? Right?
Yeah. Here's my cousin.
I can do it. No.
Thank you. Give me this.
Oh, she's so kind, right?
Yeah.
Ah, that's good.
Now I can make so much. It's gonna be a flower. Oh, you mean a toy tree house?
Yeah, toy tree houses. You'll stick something. Who made this?
Me. Hi. Hi.
What's your name?
Yada Kitwe Mumbai.
She wants to talk. No, handshake.
So you stay in college?
Come on.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Shall we kill it? Huh? Don't kill. You own this life. Okay then. Okay then. Go. Go, little guy, go. Go away. See, they stick something to write like the details of this tree, like the names, the scientific name and all. But there are some guys who burn it.